If you want to set a photo as a wallpaper on POCO F7, all you have to do is first of all open the gallery. Next, we're gonna open the photo that we wish to set as a wallpaper. Tap on these three dots that we have in the bottom right corner, and then you should be able to find set as wallpaper. After that, you should be able to find the lock screen preview. Of course, we can adjust the photo, we can zoom in, zoom out, change the position, use the depth effect, or even lock screen effects over here. And you can also tap on the lock screen preview in order to switch to the home screen preview instead. And over here, of course, we also have wallpaper effects for the home screen. Once you are done with setting up the wallpaper, we can press apply in the top right corner. You can decide if you want to use it for the lock screen, home screen, or both. So let's say I'm gonna set it only for the home screen. Wait a couple of seconds, and then you should be able to find it in the home screen. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.